mass birthday celebration. 80th mass birthday celebrated at Special Jail and at the place of safety. Organized by Anvisa the Helping Hand, leading by the founder and chairman Rajendra Prasad Panda, Master Raj. President Kalpana Saraswati, General Secretary Rasmita Panda, Jail Superintendent Jeevan Singh, invited guest Kamal Agarwal ji, Subhas Bapudia ji, Vidavas Misra ji, and many more. Person present here Nita Agarwal ji, singer Lata Snehata Patra, Junu Nayak from our team, Ramachandra Panigrahi, bodybuilder, Tarulata Saman, Mohan Patnaik, Divakar Das, Mona Lisa Sahu, the members of the place of safety, Sonali, Raja, Gauri Panda, other members, life by motivation, music therapy, and all other efforts. Motivation life changing, leading by Balvinder Kaur and Master Raj. Special thanks to the Biswajit, Mohan Patnaik, Divakar Das, Kalyani Das. Cake made by Pooja Prasad, our one of the founding members since last 7 years. Nice talk by Jeevan Singh ji. Motivation create the self-confidence. Birthday boys, 6 birthday boys from jail and 6 from our team birthday club members. Thanks to the Subhas ji bringing the sweets for the children. Children take oath, the boys take oath to change their life by Master Raj, by saying we will change our life. यथा दृष्टि सता सृष्टि, जैसे देखो वैसे दिखेगा दुनिया से. Lot of motivation by Master Raj with their way of talking, way of action, way of reflection. The team is busy with the singing, dancing, music, masti, cake cutting, celebrating the birthday of the August birth boys and the members of birthday club. It was a grand success since rain is going on. बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही सफर. रामचंद्र जी का वो गाना दिल को छू गया. स्नेहलता जी का वो गाना दिल में अब भी गुनगुना रहा है. मोनालिसा was full of मस्ती. मोनालिसा साहू, कल्याणी दास, full of masti and singing, dancing. Special thanks to our president Kalpana madam, Rasmita madam, General Secretary Rasmita Panda madam, who was allow me to do all the things. Me, Master Raj, forever doing all the things for our team, Anvisa the Helping Hand.